Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share and backup photos with OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to onedrive.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account using your credentials. This will give you access to your personal OneDrive storage where you can manage all your files and photos. After signing in, wait a moment while the login process completes. You'll then be directed to your OneDrive dashboard, which is the main hub for all your stored content. From here, you'll be able to access your photos and manage your backups. Now, to share and backup your photos with OneDrive, start by looking at the top part of your dashboard. You'll see several tabs available. Click on the Photos tab. This action switches your view from the General Files dashboard to a gallery layout specifically designed for viewing and organizing photos. This makes it much easier to browse through your images and find exactly what you need. To back up photos, simply click on the Upload from your device button. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer, allowing you to browse through your local folders. From this window, select the photos you wish to back up by clicking on them. You can select multiple photos at once by holding down the Control key while clicking each image. Once you've selected all the photos you want to upload, click on Done. An upload process will begin and your photos will start backing up to your OneDrive cloud storage. Depending on the number and size of your photos, this might take a few moments, so just be patient while the system processes everything. Now, if you want to share photos from your OneDrive, locate the photo you wish to share from your gallery. Hover your cursor over the image and you'll notice a share button appears below it. Go ahead and click on this button. A sharing window will pop up, giving you several options for how you want to share your photo. From this window, you can directly send the photo through email by adding the recipient's email address in the field provided. Alternatively, you can copy the link and share this photo using a URL that you can send through messaging apps, social media, or anywhere else you prefer. This link gives others access to view your photo without needing to download it first. And that's it. You've now successfully backed up and shared your photos using OneDrive, making it easy to keep your memories safe and accessible from anywhere. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.